Hi everyone, this is Shami. Welcome to my channel, and today we are doing another packing video, but it's a day trip video. What would I pack if I'm going for a day trip? I go day trip on a daily basis, not on a daily basis but quite frequently, so I have a backpack for that. And I prefer backpack over a side bag because it helps my shoulder to carry on better. And for my day trip, I'm taking a ginger backpack, black color, golden hardware, and I like it. It has a 13-inch MacBook Pro capacity, but I don't carry my MacBook on a daily basis, and mine is 16-inch, so it doesn't really matter. But if you're iPad or a MacBook Pro person, you can easily carry on. So with my bag, I have Adidas cap, because if it's a sunny area then I need my cap, and I have a carabiner set within here to carry my cap outside. And inside my bag I have a lot of things. So I have a water bottle. It's a thermo flask. If it's a colder climate, then I will pack a little bit of warmer water, and if it's a hot climate, I would drink colder water. And I have my umbrella. I need, if it's a sunny area or if it's raining, I need to protect myself, and for that this umbrella is quite trusty. And this water bottle is also very trusty. I'm using it for quite some time and I really like it. They're high quality product and you can use it for a long time. Behind me you can see SDG 12, responsible consumption and production. When we are traveling, we actually tend to do a lot of trash on the road, on the go, and if we are mindful about it, then we will be able to keep the planet better. And I have a small pouch. This is my necessities for my travel. I have a mini hairbrush in here. I have a hair tie, sorry. I have a hand lotion. I have a UV protection. I have another UV protection. This is for my face, this is for my hand. I have a face cleaner. I have a mini toothbrush. I have a foldable cutlery, and this is, I got it as a gift from a friend. He, I think, gave it to me from, he bought it from Decathlon, and it's a really nice thing, and on the go if you are eating something, it comes very handy. I have a talcum powder. I have a hack. If you are traveling, if it's a warmer climate, then sometimes you get really tired, exhausted, and if you use talcum powder on your face, you feel fresh. Try that. I do it quite often. I have a Vaseline for my lip, for my hands, sometimes for my feet. I like to keep them nice and clean. I have my bum bag, but I use it as a crossbody bag like this. So when I'm traveling, I have my backpack and my bag, and whatever I need for quick access, I keep them here. And in here I have a bag. This is for if I'm doing grocery, if I am buying something for the road and I know I will not, I don't have enough room in my bag and I want to bring some food or souvenir back home, I carry this. It's a foldable backpack, foldable bag, a reusable bag, and it's really nice. It can fit in your palm, and yeah, this way I am not using one-time use plastics on the road, and I care for the planet. I have Odomos here. I really like Odomos. I am mosquito allergic and it helps me to protect myself from the mosquito bites. I have a Colgate Breath Fresh. It's mouth protect spray, and I like to keep my breath fresh, and it helps me to do that. It's an Ayurvedic one and it's really nice. I have to have a floss all the time. If something is stuck in between my teeth, I need to use it to get them free. I don't need it all the time, but I have it for the sake of safety. I have a perfume. This is from Zara. It's a roll-on. It's a very light perfume and it's really nice. It smells really nice. It stays for a longer period of time. I have a lip balm, SPF 50. I have my AirPod, not AirPod, this is called AirBud, and I have it pretty much all the time, everywhere I go, and I have a bunch of stack of cash. I live in Bangladesh and I need a lot of changes. People here are not yet used to with e-cash or e-transactions, so you need cash all the time here. If you're traveling to Bangladesh or if you have any plan, make sure you have a lot of cash or you have some kind of a purse to carry your cash with you. And on the front pocket, in the front there are two pockets. There is this pocket, there is this pocket, and I have a hand sanitizer in this for quick access, and I have my sunglasses in here. I have two different kinds of sunglasses. I have complicated eyes, and I can fit in like this. It's pretty interesting. I bought it from Sri Lanka. Oh, sorry. And this is a regular sunglass. Both are polarized sunglasses, and I really like them. It helps my eye to stay fresh, and this is super clean, super nice when I'm going for a very sunny area. It keeps my eyes so cool, and because it's Polaroid, if you see far in the sun, it can look very clean, very clear, which is not generally visible with your bare eyes, and even if you don't have any power. So if you don't have a power but you want to buy a sunglass, better you go for a Polaroid sunglass. It will help you to experience when you are traveling, trust me. And it's not very expensive. It's actually you can buy it in a really cheap price, but if you buy a better sunglass, it will help you to experience better. And it's always good to buy high quality product over low quality product, because in the long run it can stay with you for a longer period of time. There is a back pocket, and in my back pocket I have my phone, and I also carry my DJI Osmo Pocket 2, which I'm shooting right now, is in the front pocket, and I have a small medicine pouch. I have prescription medicines, I have my general medicines and day medicines in this. There are 6 pockets in here. 2 are larger, 4 are like medium sizes, and I have Band-Aid if I need it on the road. And I am not a snacks person, but I have a sticker of snacks for my peers, for my companions. If they need something, it can come handy, and that's all I have in my packing video. So let me know, what do you pack, and if I have missed something, if you want me to include something for safety, for a better experience, let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching my video. Take care. Bye bye.